In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Authenticator codes from desktop to a backup file. By the end, you'll understand what's possible, what isn't, and exactly how to create a safe backup when you're using a desktop authenticator tool. First, a quick reality check. The official Google Authenticator doesn't provide a traditional export to file option on desktop. That means you can't click a button in a Google desktop app and download your codes as a file. However, many desktop and browser-based authenticator tools that are compatible with Google Authenticator-style TOTP codes do allow exports. If you're using a popular authenticator extension in Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, you'll typically find an export option built in, and that's what we'll use. Here's how the process usually works in those extensions. Open the Authenticator extension and go into its settings area. Look for a section labeled Backup or Export. In that section, choose the option to download a backup file. Some tools will prompt you to set a password before the file is created. If you see that prompt, take it seriously. This backup holds the secret keys for all your accounts, and that password can protect them if the file is ever exposed. Once you confirm, the extension will save a file to your computer, often with a JSON extension, though some tools may use a different format. That file contains all the accounts and their secret keys in a structure the extension can understand. Think of it as a full snapshot of your authenticator. Because it includes secret keys, it must be treated like a set of master keys to your accounts. After downloading, store the file securely. Keep it somewhere you trust, such as an encrypted drive or a password-protected storage location that only you control. Avoid leaving it in your Downloads folder or anywhere that syncs broadly by default. If the extension allowed you to encrypt the backup with a password, make sure you remember that password and keep it separate from the file itself. If you ever need to restore your codes, you can import the same file back into the original extension, or in many cases, another compatible authenticator. You'll usually find import in the same settings area where you exported. That makes migration or recovery straightforward if you switch browsers, reinstall your system, or just need a clean start. To recap, while Google's official authenticator doesn't export to a desktop file, many desktop authenticator extensions do. Open the extension's settings, go to Backup or Export, download the backup file, and store it securely. Handle that file with care, and you'll have a reliable, portable safety net for your 2FA codes.